So, ayun na nga. We said before na we have no plans of buying this Fix Can't Get Kanafe of It pistachio chocolate kasi mahal siya talaga. Kaso super nag-enjoy kami sa mga desserts that were inspired by it. So we decided to finally give it a try. We got this for 1,900, the most we've spent on chocolates. Grabe, pag unwrap pa lang namin sa chocolate, amoy na amoy agad yung pistachio. Sadly, nawala na yung shine and snap niya kasi galing pa ng Dubai, tapos dumaan na sa init-lamig. The chocolate bar is thick. Kaya pala kasi it's generously filled with crispy kataifi or kanafe mixed with pistachio and tahini cream. Sa bawat kagat mo, lasang-lasa mo talaga yung pistachio. You'll even see big chunks of pistachio sa filling, kaya we fell in love with the textures and flavors we got in every bite. It's thick, rich, ang creamy ng milk chocolate niya, so it's intensely satisfying. Di masakit sa lalamunan yung chocolate niya. We tried so hard na dahan-dahan siyang ubusin kasi ang mahal nga, but it took us one day to finish this. Sarap niya kasi. Na-curious kami sa Snap Milk Chocolate Pistachio and Kunafa kasi it's from the Pinoy chef behind the idea of the famous Dubai pistachio chocolate, si Chef Noel Catis. It's smaller, so mas mura siya, nasa 600. Medyo may shine pa siya when we opened it. Di masyadong amoy yung pistachio and medyo manipis siya ng konti dun sa Fix. Looking at the inside, mas konti yung pistachio and kanafe filling niya. Pero meron ding chunks ng pistachio, so lasang-lasa mo rin. Iba rin yung lasa ng chocolate niya. Parang medyo deeper yung lasa ng pagka-chocolate. Which is good kasi di siya directly kapareho ng Fix version. Nasarapan din kami sa kanya, kaya naubos din namin agad. Less sweet siya sa Fix kasi parang pantay-pantay yung combo ng chocolate, pistachio, and crispy kunafa. Mas well-balanced yung flavors. Yung sa Fix kasi, mas lumalamang yung pistachio over the chocolate. But it's actually the main reason why, if given a choice, we'll still buy the original Fix Can't Get Kanafe of It chocolate. We find it more addictive. In fact, we still have mad cravings for it. Sana talaga magkaroon na sila ng official distributors dito that can maintain the quality of the chocolates while selling them at much more affordable prices. We highly recommend that you try both kasi baka mas masarapan naman kayo dun sa Snap version. Marami pang chocolate flavors yung Fix and Snap na we hope to taste in the future. We heard na Chef Noel is now an official partner and ambassador of Oro Chocolates. So excited din kaming matry yung ibang chocolate flavors he'll come up with. Kayo, natry nyo na rin ba itong Fix and Snap pistachio chocolate bars? Let us know what you think sa comments.